In this video, we will learn how to use count function in Excel sheet. So let's start. This is my Excel sheet. I have here some data with the heading of customer ID, customer name, account type, and account number. So here I am using the count function on account number column. Count function only count numerical cell. It means in in this account number column have some number, have some blank cell, have some text. So count function count only number cell. Those cell have a numeric means number which are count only. So let's start how it's done. So is equal to count, tab, select the full column and just bracket close 5. So 5 number numeric cell available in this column. So let's count it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's it. Hope you understand. If you like this, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.